Hey everyone, it's good to see you again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today is day 3 of our 5 days of festival. We got here this affordable drugstore graphic liner look. So if you're interested, continue to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before getting started. And let's jump right into the video. I zoomed you in real nice and close so you can see what I'm doing, because we're only going to be doing eyeliner, as you can see with this eye. Hopefully I can match this onto this eye here, so wish me luck. So I'm going to be using the Quo Liquid Precision marker. It looks like this. If we can just, this is what the pen looks like. I didn't know Quo even had things like this. What I'm going to do here is just create that wing liner as I would normally do. You don't have to worry too much about how chunky or how like uneven it is right now. You're gonna go in and clean up later. So I'm just gonna create the liner how I normally would. I think I'm gonna use a smaller mirror. This graphic liner would be such a perfect festival look just because it's easy, it's quick. Well, I mean, if you have a steady hand and you're really good at eyeliner, then it's really quick. It's pretty like low down and like chilled out, which is why I picked this look to be like day 3 makeup, because I feel day 3 is more like a chilled, relaxed, like you've been there for 2 days, you've partied hard the first 2, you kind of just want to like chill and relax on the 3rd day of a festival, for me anyway. So I think like a chilled out but still like, hey, I'm at a festival kind of look, this works. I'm gonna show you how I like brightened up the white liner and made it more white. So I'm just going to press in this thicker portion of the eyeliner where I already have it. So as you can see, do you see how white that is now compared to the rest? I don't know if you can see it. Hang on, let me try on this part. And like I said, this is going to be cleaned up, so don't even worry about it. But do you see how white that is now compared to like the middle portion of the eye? I'm just gonna grab the mirror so I can see better, but we're just gonna continue to do that technique until we are satisfied. Okay, so that liner area is done. Now for the tricky part, and I say this is tricky because you have to make it symmetrical to the other side, and my eyes are not the same exact shape. So this might be a little tricky, but we're just gonna freehand it and see how this works. We're getting there. She's a bit thick, but we can fix that using the concealer brush. I was using a tiny mirror for myself. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And just cleaning up back with the pen. Make it more brighter with that pressing technique that I showed you guys earlier. Then I know we have to go back to clean it, but that's okay. Like I said, they're not going to be the same because my eyes are not symmetrical, so I kind of just made this one a little bit brighter. I elongated to the inner corner a little bit more just so it can match this one, and this is what we have. I'm happy with it. I like it. The wings will obviously be cleaned up once we get into our base products, but I'm just gonna apply some mascara to the lashes and apply my lashes in the style Shy from Kiss. Okay, so it's time for the actual face makeup. We are going to be using Maybelline Fit Me. I might have to mix these two shades together, the Matte and Poreless and the Hydrate and Smooth, just because I'm not too sure. I feel like this will be too light, but this might be too dark. I don't know. I'll have to see. I'm gonna spray my sponge with the Wet n Wild Cucumber 3-in-1 primer just to get it a little bit more damp. I'm just setting the primers down with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I want a smooth and flawless finish today. So I'm just going to use the Hydrate and Smooth foundation from Maybelline in the shade 355 Coconut. I feel like this is going to be a good shade. Yep. On day 3, you want something easy to apply, so something simple, something easy, something that you know is going to work and last all day long. Talking as if like we're actually going to be able to go to festivals, but we're not. But you know what? Next year will be the time. So when that time comes, remember I did these videos and come right back to it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe as well. Time to conceal. I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend in the shade Golden Amber. Is it? Yeah, Golden Amber. And I'm just going to plop a little bit there. And I'm just going to blend this out because I remember how quickly it likes to dry down on me. It's like 10:30 p.m. when my brain clearly starts to function. Honestly, I work so well in the nighttime. I could clean at nighttime. If it were up to me, I would be cleaning during the night. I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. I'm gonna be using the Essence Matte Bronzing Powder by Essence. I literally just said that. And just mix these two colors and bronze the face. I'm just gonna bronze over the face pretty much everywhere because I love bronzer. Powder, we do have to powder the rest of our face. So with that same e.l.f. powder, I'm going to use a brush from Morphe. This is the E41. Just dab that in there and set the rest of my face. I usually do this before bronzing. I don't know why I didn't do that, but here we are. As you can see, I changed my lashes because I don't know why I didn't just put on the Ardell Demi Wispies to begin with. They work well with everything. They're easier to work with. I don't know why I even bothered, but got the Demi Wispies on, so we are okay. I'm just gonna use the Morphe blush palette. This is the warm shades here. I think I'm gonna mix like a little bit of this like brighter color with this warm shade here. And then a little bit of a lighter brown. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette. I haven't used this in a while. I'm just going to use like this like champagne-y color right here. Rose gold and just highlight. So guys, this is the completed look for day 3 of our 5 days of festival. Let me know what you think about it. Honestly, this was really hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. This graphic liner business was really hard. Other than that, I really like how this looked. So let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Leave me a comment on what you think on graphic liners, and are they easy for you? Are they not? Are you practicing? Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos. You can watch me practice my graphic liner skills and perfect it. And stay tuned for tomorrow's day 4 of 5 days of festivals. Bye!